It makes finding the right song in their library of 50,000 tracks super easy. Actually, in our 24 Hours with Mr. Beast documentary, we pulled a track from Epidemic, pulled it apart from all the stems, and laid it out across the whole piece before we started editing to set the tone and emotional arc for the story. And it's not just music, they also have over 200,000 sound effects. Sound effects like this. That's not a real sound of me sipping that coffee. So if you're one of the first 200 people to click the link in our description, sign up for a 30-day free trial of Epidemic Sound, we will send you our 50 in 5 brainstorming sprint totally free. It's a win-win because if you make videos, Epidemic Sound is the best music library, and you get to check out our 50 in 5 brainstorming sprint.